In this video, I'll show you how to organize your emails by creating a new folder in Zoho Mail. A well-organized inbox saves time, reduces stress, and ensures your important messages are always easy to find. Start by logging into your Zoho Mail account at mail.zoho.com with your credentials. Once you're in your inbox, look at the left sidebar where your primary categories like inbox and sent are displayed. Scroll down until you find the folders section. Hover your cursor over folders and click the small plus icon that appears. This will open a pop-up where you can enter the name of your new folder. Choose a name that clearly describes the emails you plan to store there, like clients for client communications or invoices for bills and receipts. You also have the option to create subfolders by selecting a parent folder, but this step is optional. Once you've set the name and parent folder if desired, click Save. Your new folder will instantly appear in the sidebar, ready to use. Now, you can start moving emails into your new folder manually, or make it even smarter by setting up filters that automatically route certain emails into this folder based on criteria you define. This simple step can transform your inbox into a more organized, efficient workspace. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you keep your Zoho Mail inbox neat and clutter-free.